Hello, 6th grade. Welcome to Unit 15, Lesson 1. Today is Monday. What time is it? For me, it is 11:12. 11:12. Today is Monday. What date is it? Today is April 13. April 13. It's a beautiful day. This week, we will learn about animals. We will learn new verbs. We will learn how to ask new kinds of questions. Turn to page 82, Unit 15, Lesson 1. It looks like this. I hope you are watching all the videos, doing the homework. This is a good time for you to be learning English, okay? So today, we will learn about animals. Look at this picture. This man is a vet. Say it after me. Vet. Vet. A vet is a doctor for animals. What is this animal? This animal is a deer. Deer. What is this animal? Cow. Cow. And what is this animal? Sheep. Sheep. I will read a sentence and you point to which sentence I am reading. This one, this one, this one, this one, or this one. Okay? All right. First, the vet is looking after the deer. The vet is looking after the deer. Which one did I say? This one. Looking after means he is watching it, he is caring for it, he is making sure everything is good. Repeat after me. The vet is looking after the deer. Again, the vet is looking after the deer. Which one am I saying? The deer is getting better. The deer is getting better. I said this one. The deer is getting better. What does getting better mean? Getting better means he was sick. He was sick, but now he is becoming not sick. He is becoming better. He is getting better. He is not better, but he is getting better, which means that soon he will be better. Not yet, but soon. Repeat after me. The deer is getting better. The deer is getting better. Okay, which sentence am I saying? The vet is giving it some medicine. The vet is giving it some medicine. This one. Repeat after me. The vet is giving it some medicine. The vet is giving it some medicine. What is medicine? Medicine is something you give to someone who is sick. Like this is medicine. This is medicine. Do you see? Repeat after me. Medicine. Medicine. What does give mean? to give something, is to have something, and to let someone else have it. So the vet has medicine. He gives the medicine to the deer. Okay. Which sentence am I saying? This deer is sick. This deer is sick. I'm saying this sentence. This deer is sick. Repeat after me. This deer is sick. This deer is sick. So this is present tense is. The deer is the animal, and he is sick. What does sick mean? Sick means, in Kurdish, nasach. It means he is not well. He is sick. Which sentence am I saying? The deer is fine now. The deer is fine now. This is the sentence. The deer is fine now. Repeat after me. The deer is fine now. The deer is fine now. Fine is another word for good. He is not sick. He is good. He is fine. All right, now I will point and you read the sentence. Okay, read this sentence. The deer is getting better. Read this sentence. This deer is sick. Read this sentence. You read. The deer is fine now. Read this sentence. The vet is looking after the deer. Read this sentence. The vet is giving it some medicine. Very good. In your book, there's a question and an answer. I say, you repeat. Tell me about the first picture. The deer is sick. Now I ask the question, you answer the question. I say, tell me about the first picture. This is the first picture. You say, this deer is sick. Now I will ask, you answer. I ask, tell me about the second picture, this picture. You say, the vet is giving it some medicine. Okay, I ask, you answer. Tell me about the third picture, this picture. The vet is looking after the deer. Tell me about the fourth picture, this picture. The deer is fine now. Tell me about the fifth picture, this picture. The deer is getting better. Good. Look at page 83. Page 83. Where is the vet? This is the vet. He has a white coat. He is a doctor for animals, remember? What is this animal? This animal is a duck. Duck. What is wrong with the duck? Ah, the duck is sick. Repeat after me this sentence. The duck is sick. The duck is sick. Now, I will ask and you answer. Tell me about the first picture. This is the first picture. Tell me about this picture. The answer is, this duck is sick. This duck is sick. Now, tell me about this picture. What is the vet doing? If you cannot remember, look at this picture. This picture, see these sentences? The sentences are the same, but it is not a deer, it is a duck, okay? So let's try again. Tell me about the second picture. The vet is giving it some medicine. The vet is giving it some medicine. Good. Now tell me about this picture. What is the vet doing? The vet is looking after the duck. The vet is looking after the duck. Now tell me about this picture. You say. The duck is getting better. The duck is getting better. And finally, tell me about this picture. Point to the vet. Point to the duck. Tell me about this picture. The duck is fine now. If you said the duck is fine now, good job, you are right. Repeat after me. The duck is fine now. What does fine mean? Good. It means good. All right, let's learn about some more animals, okay? Point to the horse. The horse. This is the horse. Point to the dog. The dog. This is the dog. Point to the cat. The cat. This is the cat. Point to the frog. The frog. This is the frog. Point to the spider. The spider. This is the spider. Point to the sheep. The sheep. This is the sheep. Point to the duck. The duck. This is the duck. Point to the cow. The cow. This is the cow. Point to the llama. The llama. This is the llama. Point to the mouse. The mouse. Good. Point to the deer. The deer. This is the deer. Point to the hen. The hen. This is the hen. And point to the goat. The goat. This is the goat. Good. So these are all farm animals. Point to your favorite animal. Point to your least favorite animal. This is my least favorite animal. What is your least favorite animal? Do you have any of these animals? Do you have any of these animals? I could say, my family has a dog. My family has a cat. My family has sheep. My family does not have a deer. My family does not have a hen. Now, I will point and you say, what is this animal? Cow. What is this animal? Spider. What is this animal? Mouse. What is this animal? Sheep. What is this animal? Frog. What is this animal? Make it a full sentence. Say, this is a hen. This is a hen. What is this animal? This is a dog. What is this animal? This is a cat. What is this animal? This is a goat. What is this animal? This is a duck. What is this animal? This is a llama. What is this animal? This is a deer. And what is this animal? This is a horse. These are animals. Repeat after me. Animals. Animals. Ask this question. What is your favorite animal? You say, what is your favorite animal? And then answer, my favorite animal is, for example, my favorite animal is a horse. Or, my favorite animal is a llama. You ask and answer. Pause the video, ask and answer, and then click play. Okay. These are some adjectives. Adjectives describe a person, a place, or thing, or an animal. These are good adjectives to describe animals. Repeat after me. Sick, tired, cute, small, dark, tame, stinky. What do these words mean? Sick means not well, not good, nasach, sick. Tired means very sleepy, you want to sleep. Cute means in Kurdish dalal, or it means something is very nice to look at, small, cute, beautiful. Okay, small, you know what this means. Small, not big, but small. Dark. Dark is a way to describe a color. Maybe the horse is dark brown, or the deer is dark brown. The cow has dark spots. Okay. This word is tame. Tame means the animal is not afraid of people. The animal comes to people, is not afraid. And stinky means it does not smell good. It does not smell good. Now, these are adjectives. Let's think of the opposites for each of these adjectives. The opposites. What's the opposite of sick? The opposite of sick is healthy. What's the opposite of tired? You could say the opposite is energetic. They have lots of energy, they are awake, they are not tired. What's the opposite of cute? The opposite of cute is ugly. Which animal is cute? I think the mouse is cute. Which animal is ugly? I think the spider is ugly. Yeah. Good. Repeat after me. Ugly. Which animal is small? The frog is small. The spider is small. What's the opposite of small? Big. This word is dark. What's the opposite of dark? The opposite of dark is light. Okay, so we could say the horse is dark brown. The frog is light green. Light green. This word is tame. What's the opposite of tame? Remember, tame is if the animal is not scared of people. The opposite of tame is wild. Wild. They do not like people. Wild. Which animal is tame? Well, we could say the cow is tame, the dog is tame. Which animals are wild? The deer is wild. It will run from people. The spider is probably wild. The frog might be wild. Repeat after me. Tame. Wild. This word is stinky. What's the opposite of stinky? Well, the opposite of stinky could be smells nice or smells good. Now let's make some sentences. Here is a sentence. For example, the horse is healthy. Repeat after me. The horse is healthy. So choose one animal name here, one adjective here. Remember, adjectives describe the animal. Another example. The cat is small. Repeat after me. The cat is small. Remember, we use is because we're talking about one animal. If we want to talk about many animals, we could say the animal name plus s. Then we say are. For example, the horses are tame. Repeat after me. The horses are tame. So remember, this format, this sentence is for one animal. This sentence is for more than one animal. Repeat after me. The horse is tame. The horses are tame. Okay, let's read these together. I read, you repeat. Healthy, energetic, ugly, big, light, wild, smells good. Now let's practice asking and answering some questions. Here's a question. Repeat after me. Is there a sheep? Is there a sheep? You can. Okay, let's continue. Repeat after me. Is there a sheep? You could say yes, there is, or no, there isn't. So I could ask you, is there a sheep? Yes, there is. Here is the sheep. I could also ask, is there a spider? And you could say, yes, there is, or no, there isn't. Or you could say, yes, there is, and then tell me where it is. For example, is there a spider? Yes, there is. It's in the barn. Here are some locations or places. This is in the barn. Repeat after me, in the barn. In this picture, this is the barn. This picture, this way, is a farm. Okay, let's continue. These are locations, remember? This says in the barn. This is the barn. This says in the yard. In the yard. Do you know what a yard is? A yard is the grass in front of a house. Maybe you have a yard where you can sit in the grass, play games. The yard in this picture is right here. This is the house, so this is the yard. This says in the pen. What is a pen? Pen? Well, this is a pen. Pen has two meanings. It can be a pen, or it can be an area with a fence. An area with a fence. For example, this is a pen. This is a fence. This is a pen. Animals live in pens. This says in the house. Where is the house? This is the house. This says in the meadow. Meadow. Meadow is another word for pen. Repeat after me. In the barn. Point to the barn. This is the barn. In the yard. You say, in the yard. Where is the yard? This is the yard. You say, in the pen. In the pen. Where is the pen? This is the pen. You say, in the house. In the house. Where is the house? This is the house. In the meadow. In the meadow. Where is the meadow? Here it is. Pen and meadow are the same. Good. Now let's practice. I will ask a question and you answer it. For example, is there a horse? You could say, yes, there is. It's in the barn, or in the pen, or in the meadow. All right. I say you repeat. Is there a cow? Yes, there is. It's in the meadow. I say you repeat. Is there a dog? Yes, there is. It's in the house. I say you repeat. Is there a hen? Yes, there is. It's in the yard. One more. I say you repeat. Is there a goat? Yes, there is. It's in the pen. Very good. So you learned animal words, and you learned adjectives, and you learned about places on farm. Review the animals, adjectives, places on the farm. If you forget, watch the video again. For homework, create 3 questions and answers. For example, where is the horse? It's in the barn. Where is the dog? It's in the house. Where is the spider? It's in the meadow. Create 3 questions and answers. Write them in your book. In your student activity book, do page 60. Parts 1, 2, and 3. On part 1, you will answer part 1 with these 5 words. So pause the video and use these 5 words: sick, vet, doing, better, looking, and put each word in the correct space. In part 2, use the past forms of these verbs. Here's the present form, here's the past form. Put the correct word in each space. Put the correct past form in each space. And here, finish each of these words from this story about the vet and the deer. Finish each word. The first one is finished. The first one says sick. So look at this story and put the correct word in each space. Not too hard. Send me your homework on WhatsApp. I will see you tomorrow in our video lesson and in our live class. Live class is at 12 o'clock. The link is on the WhatsApp group. Okay? I'll see you all then. Thank you for joining.